Okay, so what we got here is a BMW 5 Series. This is a 2019 model. So it's a full facelift of the new screen on this. And it didn't come with reversing camera. So what we've done is we fully retrofitted reversing camera onto the original screen. So when you put it into reverse now, just like your factory one, you got the full display. If you got sensors, your sensors get displayed there, and also full moving guidelines with the steering wheel. And you still have your original parking display. If you want this retrofitted on your BMW 5 Series, see the link down below. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe.